Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to explain 7th class 3rd chapter simple equations unit exercise. Give the steps you will use to separate the variables and then solve the equation. First one, 7 into x minus 3 it is equal to 28. Simplify this simple equation and find the x value by using separate the variables. So first write given equation. Given 7 into x minus 3 it is equal to 28. So first remove 7 by using divide by 7 on both sides. So divide by 7 on both sides. Seven into x minus 3 divided by 7 it is equal to 28 by 7. And numerator 7 denominator 7 cancel. 7 1 is 7, 7 4 is 28. So 7 minus 3 it is equal to 4. Now remove minus 3 by adding plus 3 on both sides. So add plus 3 on both sides. X minus 3 plus 3 it is equal to 4 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0. So remaining x equal to 4 plus 3 becomes 7. So x equal to 7 is solution for this simple equation. Next problem, sixth problem B. 8y minus 9 it is equal to 15. So write given equation is, so given 8y minus 9 equal to 15. So in this simple equation find y value by using separate the variables. First remove minus 9 by adding plus 9 on both sides. So add plus 9 on both sides. So 8y minus 9 plus 9 it is equal to 15 plus 9. So left side minus 9 plus 9 equal to 0. So remaining 8y it is equal to 15 plus 9 becomes 24. So from this find y value by removing 8. Divide by 8 on both sides. So divide by 8 on both sides. So 8y by 8 it is equal to 24 by 8. In the left side numerator 8 denominator 8 cancel. So 8 1 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So from this y it is equal to 3. So y equal to 3 is solution for this given simple equation. Next problem, unit exercise 7th one. Solve the following equations and check the result. Method of transposition. First one, 9 into a plus 3 plus 7 it is equal to 22. So in this simple equation find the a value by using method of transposition. So first write given equation, it is equal to 22. So in this simple equation first transpose plus 7. So 9 into a plus 3 it is equal to 22 plus 7, it is transposed into right side, it becomes minus 7. So 22 minus 7. So 9 into a plus 3 it is equal to 22 minus 7 becomes 15. So now multiply 9 with a and 3 both terms. So 9 into a becomes 9a plus 9 into 3 becomes 27. It is equal to 15. So in this plus 27 transpose into right side. So 9a it is equal to 15 minus 27. plus 27, it is transposed into right side, it becomes minus 27. So from this 9a, it is equal to 15 minus 27 becomes minus 12. So find a value. So a, it is equal to, so here the relation with 9 is multiplication. So 9 into a equal to minus 12. So 9, it is transposed into right side divided by 9. So minus 12 divided by 9. Simplify this. 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. So a value equal to minus 4 by 3. So a equal to minus 4 by 3 is solution for this simple equation. Now check the result. A equal to minus 4 by 3. It is true or false by using verification. So a equal to minus 4 by 3. Substitute in LHS. So LHS, that is equal to 9 into a plus 3 plus 7. Now substitute a equal to minus 4 by 3 here. So 9 into minus 4 by 3 plus 3 plus 7. It is equal to 9 into minus 4, 3 into 3 multiply plus 9 divided by 3 plus 7. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. So it is equal to 3 into minus 4 plus 9 becomes plus 5 plus 7. 3 into 5 becomes 15 plus 7. 15 plus 7, it is equal to 22. So this is LHS value. So in our problem, RHS is given, RHS equal to 22. So RHS, so LHS, it is equal to RHS. This is solution for 7th problem. Problem 7th problem B. So 25, it is equal to 18 minus 7 into B minus 6. So first write given equation. So given minus 6. So observe in this simple equation, we are finding the value of B. So the B is in the right side. So first transpose LHS and RHS. So transpose LHS and RHS. So 18 minus 7 into B minus 6, it is equal to 25. Now 18 transpose into right side, it becomes minus 18. So minus 7 into B minus 6, it is equal to 25 minus 18. Minus 7 into B minus 6, it is equal to 25 minus 18 becomes plus 7. Now minus 7 also transpose into right side, it becomes divided by minus 7. So from this B minus 6, it is equal to 7 by minus 7, and numerator 7, denominator 7 cancel. 1 by minus 1, it becomes minus 1. So from this B minus 6, it is equal to minus 1. So find out the B value. Minus 6, it is transposed into right side, it becomes plus 6. So B, it is equal to minus 1 plus 6. So B, it is equal to minus 1 plus 6 becomes 5. So B equal to 5 is solution for given simple equation. Now check B equal to 5, it is true or false by using verification. B equal to 5, substitute in RHS. So RHS, it is equal to 18 minus 7 into B minus 6. It is equal to 18 minus 7 into, now B value is substitute 5. So 5 minus 6, it is equal to 18 minus 7 into 5 minus 6 becomes minus 1. It is equal to 18 minus into minus become plus, 7 into 1 becomes 7. So 18 plus 7 becomes 25. So RHS equal to 25. So now observe in our given simple equation. So LHS is given 25. So LHS it is equal to 25. So now both LHS and RHS are equal. So LHS it is equal to RHS. So hence verified. So this is solution for 7th problem B. Next problem, unit exercise 8th one. 6 times a number is 72. Find the number. So first let a number be x. So let a number be x. So then the 6 times of a number, 6 times of a number, it is equal to 6 times nothing but 6 multiply with x. So 6 into x, it is equal to 6x. So in the problem is given 6 times of a number is 72. So given 6 times a number it is equal to 72. So that is 6 times of a number nothing but 6x. So 6x it is equal to 72. So from this find the x value. So x it is equal to 6, it is moving to right side division. So 72 by 6. 6 1 the 6, 6 12 the 72. So the number equal to 12. So this is solution for 8th problem. Next problem, unit exercise 9th one. 3/4 of a number is more than 1/4 of a same number by 2. Find the number. So let a number be x. So let a number be x. So 3/4 of a number, that is 3/4 of a number, that is equal to 3/4 nothing but 3 by 4 of x. It is equal to 3 by 4 into x. So in the problem they are also given 1/4 of a same number. So 1/4 of a number, 1/4 nothing but 1 by 4 of x. It is equal to, so 1 by 4 into x. So 1 into x becomes x. So x by 4. So in the problem given 3/4 of a number, 3/4 of a number it is equal to 1/4 of a number plus 2. So plus 2, why? Because it is more than by 2. So 3/4 of a number is 3 by 4x. So 3 by 4x it is equal to, so 1/4 of a number nothing but x by 4. So x by 4 plus 2. So 3 by 4x it is equal to, so x plus 4 into 2 becomes 8 by 4. So left side denominator 4, right side denominator 4 cancel. So remaining 3x it is equal to x plus 8. So x it is moving to left side, it becomes minus x. So from this 3x minus x it is equal to 8. Simplify this, 3x minus x becomes 2x. So from this 2x it is equal to 8. Now find the x value. So from this x it is equal to, so 2 it is moving to right side by 2. So 8 by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. So from this x equal to 4. X equal to 4. So x equal to 4 is solution for given problem. Next problem, unit exercise 10th one. In the given figure, the perimeter of the square is 40 meters, then find x. So observe the diagram. So this is a square diagram. So square consists of 4 sides are equal. So in this diagram one side length is given. So one side length, that is equal to 3x minus 5 meters. So first write that from the figure, side of a square, that is equal to 3x minus 5 meters. So in the problem given, the perimeter of a square is 40 meters. So perimeter of a square, that is equal to 40 meters. Perimeter of a square formula, 4 into side, that is equal to 40 meters. So 4 into, so in the problem, side of a square is given 3x minus 5 meters. So 3x minus 5, it is equal to 40. So from this, simplify the x value. So 3x minus 5, it is equal to 4. In the left side, it is moving to right side, division. So 40 by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 10 ja 40. So 3x minus 5, it is equal to 10. So from this 3x value equal to, so 3x it is equal to minus 5, it is moving to right side, plus 5. So 10 plus 5. So 3x equal to 15. So find the x value. So x it is equal to 15 by 3. So 3 it is left side in multiplication, it is moving to right side division. So 15 by 3. So 3 1 ja 3 5 ja. It is equal to 5. So x equal to 5 is solution for given problem. Next problem, unit exercise 11th one. Jeevan is 3 years younger than his brother Shashi. If the sum of their present ages is 19 years, what are their present ages? So in the problem, Jeevan age is compared with Shashi age. So first consider Shashi age. So let present age of Shashi is x years. So in the problem given, Jeevan is 3 years younger than Shashi. So Jeevan age, it is equal to 3 years younger than Shashi. So Shashi age is x years. So 3 years younger means x minus 3 years. So x minus 3 years. So in the problem given, the sum of their present ages is 19 years. Sum of their present ages, it is equal to 19. So sum of their present age, nothing but Shashi age plus Jeevan age. So Shashi age equal to x plus Jeevan age equal to x minus 3. It is equal to 19. So x plus x becomes 2x minus 3. It is equal to 19. So this is a simple equation. Find the x value. So from this 2x, it is equal to minus 3, it is moving to right side, plus 3. So 19 plus 3. So 2x, it is equal to 19 plus 3 becomes 22. So find out the x value. So x, it is equal to, so in the left side, 2 relation with the x is multiplication. It is moving to right side division. So 22 divided by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 11 ja, 22. So x equal to 11. So x value represents the present age of Shashi. So present age of Shashi, that is equal to 11 years. So next Jeevan age, it is equal to, so Jeevan present age equal to x minus 3 years. So x minus 3. So here the x value is 11. So 11 minus 3, it is equal to 8 years. So Jeevan present age equal to 8 years. So this is solution for the 11th problem. Next problem, unit exercise 12th one. The length of a rectangle is 20 meters more than its width. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 100 meters, then find length and breadth of a rectangle. So in the problem, length of a rectangle is comparison with the width. So first consider width of rectangle. So let width of the rectangle it is equal to x. So then the length of the rectangle is, so length of rectangle equal to, so in the problem given, so 20 meters more than its width. So 20 meters more than its width. So width of a rectangle is x. So 20 meters more means plus. So x plus 20. So in the problem given, the perimeter of the rectangle is 100 meters. So perimeter of rectangle it is equal to 100 meters. So perimeter of rectangle formula 2 into L plus B it is equal to 100. So here L nothing but length and B nothing but width of a rectangle. So 2 into, so length of a rectangle is x plus 20. So x plus 20 plus B nothing but width. So width equal to x. So plus x it is equal to 100. So in this simple equation find the x value. So 2 into, so x plus x becomes 2x plus 20 it is equal to 100. So from this 2x plus 20 it is equal to 2, it is moving to right side and division 100 by 2. 2 1 ja 250 ja 100. So it is equal to 50. So 2x plus 20 it is equal to 50. 2x it is equal to, so 50 minus 20. So plus 20 it is moving to right side minus 20. So minus 20. So 2x it is equal to, so 50 minus 20 becomes 30. So x it is equal to, so 30 by 2. So 2 it is multiplication with x. So multiplication it is moving to right side division. So by 2. So 2 1 ja 2 15 ja 30. So x equal to 15. So here x nothing but width of a rectangle. Width equal to 15 meters. Length it is equal to x plus 20. So x value is 15. 15 plus 20 it is equal to 35. So length equal to 35. So this is solution for 12th problem. Next problem 13th. In a family, the consumption of rice is 4 times that of wheat. The total consumption of 2 cereals in a month is 30 kg. Find the quantities of rice and wheat consumed in the family. So in the problem given, the consumption of rice is compared with wheat. So first consider the consumption of wheat. So let the quantity of wheat consumed in 1 month, that is equal to x kg. So next the quantity of rice, that is equal to, so in the problem given the quantity of rice is 4 times that of wheat. So 4 times of wheat it is equal to, so wheat consumption is x, so 4 into x, 4x. So in the problem given the total consumption of 1 month is 30 kg. Total consumption 2 cereals, that is equal to 30 kg. So here the 2 cereals is nothing but one is wheat, other is rice. So wheat consumption is x plus rice consumption is 4x, that is equal to 30. So x plus 4x becomes 5x, it is equal to 30. So from a simple equation find the x value. So x it is equal to 30 by 5. 5 1 ja 5 6 ja. So x equal to 6. So x equal to 6 represents the consumption of wheat is 6 kg. So that is equal to 6 kg. So next the quantity of rice is that is equal to quantity of rice is 4x. So x value is 6. 4 into 6 it is equal to 24 kg. So quantity of rice equal to 24 kg. So this is solution for 13th problem. Next problem 14th. The teacher tells the students in the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in a class is 7 marks more than twice the lowest marks. If the highest mark is 93, then what is the lowest mark? So in the problem they are asking find the lowest mark. So in the problem they are given the highest marks are 93. So first consider the lowest marks are x. So let the lowest mark it is equal to x. Then the highest mark it is equal to, so in the problem they are given the highest marks are 7 more than twice the lowest marks. So twice means 2x, 7 marks more is plus 7. So highest mark equal to 2x plus 7. So given the highest mark that is equal to 93. So highest mark are 2x plus 7 it is equal to 93. So in this simple equation find the x value. So from this 2x it is equal to 93 plus 7 it is moving to right side minus 7. So 2x it is equal to 93 minus 7 becomes 86. So find out the x. So x it is equal to 2 it is moving to right side division. So 86 by 2. 2 1 ja 243 ja. So x equal to 43. So x represents the lowest mark. So the lowest mark it is equal to 43. So this is solution for 14th problem. Next problem, unit exercise 15th problem. A man travelled 4 by 5 of his journey by train, 1 by 7 by bus and the remaining 16 kilometers by auto. What is the length of his total journey? So in the problem they are asking find the length of a total journey. The total journey involving 3 journeys. So that is the journey of train and journey of bus and journey of auto. So first consider the total length of a journey is x kilometer. So let the length of a total journey that is equal to x. So given journey by train that is equal to, so journey by train given 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 of his journey. So that is equal to 4 by 5 into, so total journey nothing but x. So into x it is equal to 4 into x equal to 4x by 5. So next the journey by bus it is equal to 1 by 7 of journey it is equal to 1 by 7 into x it is equal to 1 into x equal to x by 7. So the remaining journey is by auto. So journey by auto it is equal to 16 kilometers. So total journey it is equal to journey by train plus journey by bus plus journey by auto it is equal to, so journey by train is 4x by 5 plus journey by bus is x by 7 So x by 7 plus journey by auto is 16 kilometers. It is equal to 16 nothing but 16 by 1. So observe all denominators 5, 7 and 1. So for the 5, 7 and 1 the LCM is 35. LCM equal to 35. Now multiply first fraction into LCM. 4x by 5 into 35 plus multiply second fraction into LCM. X by 7 into 35 plus third fraction into LCM. 16 by 1 into 35. It is equal to 5 1 ja 5 7 ja 35, 7 1 ja 7 5 ja 35. So now the numerator is 4x. So 4x into 7 it becomes 28. So 28x plus x into 5 equal to 5x. 5x plus 16 into 35 multiply, that is equal to 560. 560 divided by 35. So here the total journey, that is equal to x. Denominator 35, it is moving to left side multiplication. So 35x, it is equal to 25x plus 5x plus 560. 28x plus 5x plus 560. 28x plus 5x it becomes 33x. So it is equal to 33x plus 560. So this is a 35x. 33x it is moving to left side minus 33x. So 35x minus 33x it is equal to 560. 35x minus 33x it becomes 2x. So 2x it is equal to 560. Find the x value. So from this x it is equal to 560 by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16, 2 into 0 0. So x equal to 280. Here the x represents a total length of a journey. So the length of a total journey. Okay students, thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.